At Titan, we are shaping the future of data.
Hi, I'm Oliver, CEO and founder of Titan. Titan is an enterprise tech firm with a great product and highly qualified core team. Mauri, Christian, Sam and myself. We are building a unique SaaS data aggregation and enrichment platform with analytics and reporting on external and internal data in the supply chain space. Our midterm goal is to provide a self-service data marketplace. Especially large SMEs will love the solution. The revenue potential in the initial market DACH is already 1 billion Swiss francs. Our Titan MIS platform offers individually selectable data prepared in Swiss quality and solutions from simple to complex issues in business, all in one platform and via one API. And thanks to our sourcing know-how at a super price. We also take care of data lifecycle management and the seamless integration into various customer systems. Our global expertise and modular IT architecture enables us to scale the platform rapidly. We can easily extend it with add-in features and so quickly generate new revenue. Titan creates transparency, saves money and time, it's hassle-free and enables mid-sized companies to easily get the data they really need, smarter, better, cheaper.